Yo, what is up? Welcome to TAT Angler. That's Tristan. I'm Tessa, and we're gonna start flying the camera. So this channel will be about how Tristan and I will be traveling to different lakes and rivers to try to catch some fish. Right now we're on a home lake. There's gar, bowfin, catfish, bass, and bluegill. So right now we're fishing for bass. Tristan's using a popper. I'm using a dinger and a crankbait. Rihanna will be using the crankbait. So we're so happy to bring you onto this journey, so let's have fun. Bro, how was it? An hour and a half, maybe?
Maybe.
I'm gonna call it one though. It's so far away. Got it. Nice little 2.5 day probably. Not bad.
I have to get dirty now.
Oh, Jay, good job. I need a light.
Oh, don't do that.
I don't know your phone.
I have mine. If you want to use it.
We need a light now. We need a light.
Here.
It's nice.
Oh my god, that's heavy. Where are those, can you go get those pinchers? I'm afraid when he shakes his head, he's gonna get my hand.
Put that up towards the camera. That's amazing. That's huge. That's a hog.
That's the biggest one I've caught. It has to be about 5 or 6 pounds, I bet you.
I have an 8-pounder in the freezer right now.
Dude, this thing's big. He's a fat one, too.
God. I'll hold it up. That's nice.
He's dirty. You think if I put it in the water and clean it off, it'd try and escape?
Hold it by its lip and then.
Oh wait, I don't have sandals on.
Here. That's not. I did it. Here. Hold this.
Before I do it, can you take a picture with my phone of this?
You blinked. Want to do it again?
Yeah. Is it bright
There you go.
now?
It should be.
Right.
Yeah, it looks good.
Here.
How do I? Okay. Wait. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah.
I want you to hold this. Think how much it weighs. You got it?
That's about 5 pounds, 5 or 4. Hold still. Nice.
You ready?
So after a little look at the lake yesterday, we came here at the river to try and catch some bowfin, catfish, or bass using live creek chubs. We did that. mouths are blue. Sorry, sucker. That's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see more videos like this.